If you are struggling to scale your business, your primary bottleneck is not your marketing budget or your sales team. The systemic failure lies in your offer, a structural weakness that forces you into a race to the bottom on price. In his treatise, 100M Offers, How to Make Offers So Good People Feel Stupid Saying No, entrepreneur Alex Hormozi presents an empirical framework designed to solve this exact point of friction. Hormozi argues that to achieve nonlinear gains in business, you must transition from selling a commodity to presenting a grand slam offer. This strategic transition eliminates price comparison, lowers your customer acquisition costs, and dramatically increases your overall return on investment. This brings us to the first core pillar, the commodity trap versus the grand slam offer. Most professionals optimize their businesses for competitive pricing. Hormozi demonstrates that this is a low-margin trap. When you sell a standard commodity, you are compared directly with your competitors. A grand slam offer, however, is an irreplicable bundle of products and services that solves a specific customer problem. By packaging your solution uniquely, you disconnect your pricing from the market average. This allows you to charge premium prices, which in turn provides the necessary cash flow to deliver superior value, thereby creating a self-reinforcing growth loop. This strategic shift leads directly to the author's second critical finding, the value equation. To systematically increase the perceived worth of your service, Hormozi developed a mathematical model for human purchasing behavior. The value equation is structured as a fraction.
In the numerator, we have two multiplying forces, the dream outcome and the perceived likelihood of achievement. To maximize value, your offer must target a highly desirable objective and provide maximum reassurance that the client will actually achieve it. In the denominator, we find the two friction points, time delay and effort and sacrifice. These are the negative factors that erode value. The longer a client has to wait for a result and the more labor they must perform to get it, the lower the value of your offer. To optimize your unit economics, you must focus on minimizing the denominator. But how do we package these elements into a structured stack that makes the purchase decision friction-free without destroying your operational capacity? This brings us to the third pillar, the operational breakdown and trim phase. Hormozi outlines a systematic process to build this high-value solution. First, write down the core problem your customer faces. Second, list every single sub-problem they encounter before, during, and after attempting to solve it. Third, brain dump every possible solution for each sub-problem. Once you have this exhaustive list, you must filter these solutions through the lens of operational leverage. Hormozi advises focusing on high-value, low-cost-to-deliver options. By trimming the resource-heavy elements and stacking the high-impact, scalable elements, you create a bundle with high perceived value, but exceptionally low operational delivery costs. The final pillar of a high-converting offer relies on psychological leverage, scarcity, urgency, and risk reversal. Once you have created an elite bundle, you must regulate supply and demand. Hormozi explains that value is inherently tied to availability. By placing structural limits on your capacity, whether through client caps or time-sensitive entry points, you trigger action. Finally, you must eliminate the perceived risk of transaction through structured guarantees. By absorbing the financial risk yourself, you eliminate the final psychological barrier to acquisition. To synthesize this executive yield into an actionable roadmap, first, identify your core market and audit your current pricing structure. Second, apply the value equation by actively decreasing the time delay and effort required for your clients to see their first win. Third, build your high-value bundle by listing solutions to every sub-problem, trimming the operational fat, and stacking the high-leverage assets. By shifting your focus from volume-based marketing to systematic value optimization, you build a structural barrier against market competition and secure a permanent strategic advantage. Subscribe for weekly insights into digital literacy and self-growth, and discover how to optimize your professional trajectory. To understand how to convert this newly generated high-value attention into long-term customer loyalty, we must analyze the specific psychological triggers that drive consistent, long-term consumer retention.